everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video. And let me get the table topic for today. The table topic for today is, do you own your things or do you do your things on you? Do you own your things or do you do your things on you? So, when we ask this question, we ask ourselves is that what is our relationship with the things that we own? What are the relationship that things we use? And why this is an important question that we should ask? This question helps us in reflecting our relationship, and as well is it helped us in asking that question, do you really need this, or you are trapped in that cycle that you are you have no way to use, you are too dependent on to use it. So when you buy a new iPhone, and every time a new iPhone gets in the market, and do you have the strong urge and to buy it, and you go and buy it even though you really not need it? Does it mean, when we ask these kinds of question, we start becoming more observable on the things that we need, what is our relationship, and we are not doing it maybe because of social pressure or because of other influencing factors. Maybe we need things, we are buying things only because we need it. That's very important. When you ask me this question, I mostly buy things on the basis of their utility, based on their need. So that's how I do it. So if I have a phone, then I won't replace it unless the phone stops working, or I need a functionality which is not supported by current phone. So that's how I see it. Mm, why? So we know all this, right? What we can do now? What are the steps that we can take next, so that we are not trapped in this and we are not dependent on things? We are using things because we needed it. So first, whenever you have the strong urge to buy something, ask yourself a question: do you really need it? If you really need it, then you should buy it. There is no doubt about it. Uh, when you ask this question, it then you slowly will get an answer that yes, you need to buy it. Or uh, uh, or when you have things, you also start to reflect on it. Second, so let's say when you using your car for just for 100 meter to come back, does it mean that you are using it for necessity, or you are too dependent on it, just you need a car just to walk 100 meter? So when you ask these questions, you will get an answer that do you own things or things on you. Thank you. Over to you.